Let's make a vanilla cold foam latte, Starbucks styles, but a bit better. This is a mason jar. This is vanilla essence. This is heavy double cream. This is milk. This is a 30-60 measurer. And let's begin. So let's open our mason jar. First we'll put vanilla essence. Like you just need very little vanilla essence. So we'll use only a few drops. 1 drop. Now let's use our heavy cream. Yeah. So we'll take approx 45 ml of heavy cream. Now we are taking some milk. So approx 30 ml of milk we've taken here. Now it's time for sugar syrup, or you can say simple syrup. We'll use 10 ml of sugar syrup. Close the lid of your mason jar. Till we prepare other stuff, let's keep our mason jar in the fridge. As our mason jar is resting in the fridge, it's the time to take out an espresso shot. So let's take out our portafilter, clean it. We take approx 20 grams of freshly ground coffee. So this is a distributor. It evenly spreads out your coffee. This is called a tamper. The portafilter is put in the machine, and we'll take out 40 ml of fresh espresso. You can see the texture of the shot. So this is a glass of ice, 40 ml espresso. We'll pour it into our glass. This is the mason jar we made our solution in. We'll shake it well. As you can see, it's a bit of hard work, but it's so worth it. Wait and watch. So our cold foam is ready. We'll open our jar. We'll pour over the mixture into our drink. You can see the texture. And trust me, it tastes exactly like Starbucks, but not that sweet. So Starbucks says that best way to drink is by drinking this is by not mixing it, but I don't feel that personally. I feel like the drink should be mixed properly so that you get an even taste. Now let's try this out. So I like sipping from the cup directly, so I'll remove the straw. I just love how 1 drop of vanilla essence makes a super big change in it, and it has a super creamy texture. You will surely love it. Please try this.